सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. Okay, yesterday those who did not chant the Maheshwara Sutrani, they can chant today.
I on rule look a on I out Hayavarat Lan Namagananam Jabai Gadadash Jaba Gadadash Kapha Chata Chatatava Kapai Shasasara Al Iti Maheshwara Iti.
Pa pa cha tha ta cha ta ta. It is not va cha ta ta. Then sha sha sa sha sha sar. It is not complete ra, only half ra. Sha sha she sha sar.
Kapha Chata Chatatava Shasasara.
Not tava. Tav. Vakara is va is not complete va, only half va.
Chatatau Kapai
No.
Shasasar Hal.
Yes. Next.
आकोह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशाणां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुरसानां दन्ताः उपुपद्मानीयानामोष्टौ न्यमगणनानां नासिका च एदैतो कण्ठतालु ओदौतो कण्ठोष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूलं नासिका अनुद्वारस्य.
Okay. From Ingah Padadati.
एङ्गः पदादति पदान्तादेङ्गोत् अतिपरे पूर्वरूपम् एकादेशः स्यात् अत अल्पल् दोहोश्चु नाश्चु चकार चवर्गाभ्यां योगे चकार चवर्गौ स्तः चात् परस्य तवर्गस्य चुत्वं न स्यात्. नाष्टुः स्तोः योगे तुः स्यात् न पदान्ताट्टोरणाम् पदान्ताट्टुवर्गात् परस्यानामः तोः तुर्न स्यात्.
Padantat tavat parasya anamah hoshtu. We are seeing Visarga Sandhis. Bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi hali sarvesham. Did we see hali sarvesham?
Yes, little bit of that, yeah.
Okay. When yakara in bo bhago agho apurvasya rukara, when it is preceded by bho bhago agho or a, when it is followed preceded any of these letters, any of these shabdas, and followed by ash pratyahara, then that rukara will change into yakara. This is bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi. Hali sarvesham, what this sutra does, when that yakara preceded by bho bhago agho apurva akara and followed by ash pratyahara, followed by hal, any consonant, then that yakara will get lopa. Yakara preceded by bho bhago agho a and followed by any consonant, then that yakara gets lopa. We saw that both devaha, that sakara get rukara by which sutra? Sakara changed into rukara by which sutra?
Tasa jushu ruhu.
Sasajusho ruhu. By that sutra, padanta sakara will get rutva adesha, or padanta sajush shabda will get rutva adesha. Here sakara is there, so padanta sakara gets rukara adesha. Bhos changed to boru. This rukara changed into yakara by which sutra?
Bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi.
Bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi. By this sutra means that rukara preceded by bho and followed by ash pratyahara. Then that rukara changed into yakara. Now this yakara preceded by bho and followed by hal, which is consonant. Then bho devaha, bho devaha. Up to this is clear?
Yes.
I just copied this mantra from Chandogya 6th chapter, 7th section, 2nd mantra. Saha panchadashahani न शाथा हा एनम उपससादा किम ब्रवीमि भो इति रुचः सौम्या किम ब्रवीमि भो. This is sambodhana. In sambodhana these kind of words will come. Bho, bhago, agho kind of words will come in sambodhana. So here bho, like hey Bhagavan when we say in English and all, like that in Sanskrit bho. After bho there is ikara. Ikara is ash pratyahara. Shabda is here, if we take this example, Bhos is the Shabda. Iti Richaha. Now, what will happen here? Bhos iti
Bho.
Bhoru. Then
boy इति रुचः
Bhoru. This is by which sutra?
Rasajushuruhu.
Bhoru. Bhoru changed into
Bhoya.
Bhoi. By which sutra?
Bho bhago agho apurvasya yo ashi.
Then what will happen here?
Then Hali Sarvesham.
By that sutra?
Here is Lopa of Ya happens.
Bho ityarchaha. This is the form. So in Chandogya Upanishad, this kind of forms will be there. Many times it came. Then Bhagot Namaste. This Bhagos Namaste. Is this Ash Pratyahara Nakara?
Yeah, it is.
Ash Pratyahara. Nyamagananam Jabhai Gadadash Jabagadash. Up to Jabagadash, that Shakara, Ash Pratyahara will come. So this Sakara gets, Sakara is Padanta. Padanta Sakara gets
ऋकार
Rutva Adesha.
Ruka.
Rukara Adesha. Then Rukara
Pagoi
Adesha by which sutra? Rukara
Sasajusho
Adesha by which sutra? Sasajusho Ruhu. Then
ऋकार तु यकार
Bhagoi. Rukara will change into Yakara. By which sutra?
ओ भगो अगो अपूर्वस्य यो अल्
Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya Yoshi. By that sutra, Rukara changed into Yakara. Because Rukara preceded by Bhago, Shabda and followed by Ash Pratyahara, then that Rukara changed into Yakara. Now Yakara has preceded by Bhago and followed by Ash Pratyahara. Sorry, followed by consonant Hal. Then what will happen here?
Ya Lopa. So Bhago Namaste.
Bhago Yalopa Namaste. Bhago Namaste. Next, bhos janaha. So I don't need to type. Now you can tell the process and sutra. Bhos janaha. What is the next step?
Bolu janaha.
Boy
By
janaha
which sutra?
sasajushoru.
Okay, one by one. Next person. Bhoru janaha. Rukara change into
Yakara.
yakara. By which sutra?
Bho, Bhoru, Gho,
Bho, bhago, agho, apurvasya, yoshi. Okay. Then what is the next step?
Yakara has the lopa. So it is Aghora Ravana.
Oh, we are doing bho janaha. Bhoi janaha. We are here. So yakara gets lopa by which sutra?
Hali Sarvesham.
By Hali Sarvesham, yakara gets lopa. Then bho janaha. Final form is bho janaha. I think these sutras are familiar in this context. Aghos yahi. What will come here?
Aghoru yahi.
Final form?
Agho yahi.
Next, bhagos achyuta. What will come here?
Bhago Achyuta.
You see, is that okay? We will do this one. This bhagos sakara padanta sakara adesha by sasajusho ru. Bhago ru. Now, what will happen here?
Changes to Ya.
What is the rule?
Karavasana in this.
No, this only Rukara preceded by Bhago and followed by Ash. Ash Pratyahara, then the Trukara change into Yakara. Then
So here it is so should we use that Lopa Shakalyasya?
yeah,
After Ya, it is right? It's not Hal.
Padana Yakara Vakara is followed by Lopa Shakal.
Punaji, you are not audible.
Oh. No? Can you hear me now?
Probably. Yes.
Yes, here Lopashakalyasya sutra will work. Hali Sarvesham will not work here because Hali Sarvesham in this sutra that yakara should preceded by bhago and followed by hal. But here hal is not there, ach is there. Achyuta. This is akara is vowel. So here Lopashakalyasya sutra will work. So bhago achyuta. It form will same. Form will be same by Halish Sarvesham or Lopashakalyasya. But by the rule, Halish Sarvesham will not work here. Lopashakalyasya will work. Bhago achyuta. Next, Aghos Ravana. What will come here?
The final form is Agho Ravana.
Yes. Deva gachanti. Devas gachanti. What will come there?
Deva gachanti.
Deva gachanti. Takara will change into Rukara, Rukara will change into Yakara, Yakara gets Lopa. Yakara gets Lopa. How Yakara gets Lopa? Okay, this one we will see.
Lopashakalyasya, right?
Let us see. Devas, Sakara, Padant, Sakara gets Rukara. Devaru. By which sutra?
Sasajushuruhu.
Sasajushoruhu. Then that Rukara will change into
Yakara.
Yakara. What is the rule? By which rule it is changing into Yakara?
Bhago. Bhago.
Okay, bho, bhago, agho. But here bho is not there, bhago is not there, agho is not there.
Akara.
Before Rukara. Akara is there. Bho, bhago, agho, apurvasya. Purva, akara should be purva. Here before Rukara, there should be akara, either Hrasva akara or Dirgha akara. Here Dirgha akara is there. Rukara preceded by Dirgha akara and followed by Ash Pratyahara. Then that Rukara will change into Yakara. Yakara will get Lopa. Deva Gachanti. By which sutra Yakara gets Lopa?
Hali Sarve.
Hali Sarvesham.
Hali Sarvesham. Deva Gachanti. This is the process. I think this is clear, right? Both sutras, Bho Bhago Agho Purvasi Yoshi and Hali Sarvesham.
Yes.
Next sutra, repeat after me. Rory.
Rory.
Refasya refe pare lopaha. After refa, if there is another refa, then that first refa will get lopa. This is very simple. Two refas are there, then first refa will get lopa. Example is punar ramate. This first refa followed by another refa, then this first refa will get lopa. Punar ramate. Here what will happen?
पुनः रमते.
No. That is up to this is sutra done. Punar ramate. Punar ramate becomes punar ramate. Then connection is there with next sutra. What will happen after that next step? We will see in next sutra. Nirrasa. In this example, what will happen?
Nirasa.
Ni is Hraswa or Dirgha?
Rasva.
Rasa. This refasya refe pare lopah syat. After refa, if there is another refa, then that first refa will get lopa. Purva refa will get disappear. Is this clear?
Yes.
Shall we go to next sutra?
Yes, Purnaji.
Only 2 steps, huh?
Only one step. That refa will get disappear. That's all. Punar ramate.
Like
That
we
is
have to, here we have to ni rasaha.
The continuation next sutra is there. This is not the final form.
Okay.
Final form will be in next sutra. That's why
Okay.
I did not complete here. I'll keep it like plus only. Repeat after me. Dralope purvasya dirghonaha.
Dralope purvasya dirgho naha.
Here mistake is there. Sorry, not mistake. Da lopa nimittake dhakare pare dhakara lope krite. Like in previous sutra, after refa, if there is another refa, then that first refa get disappear. Here also, if there is a dakara, after that another dakara, if it is there, then that first dakara will get disappear. That is the one point. In these 2 points are there. Ra lopa nimittake refe pare ra lope kruteva. Either dakara or rakara. We already saw sutra for rakara. And dakara, here it is explaining. Either dakara or rakara. When it gets lopa, tasmat purvasya anvarnasya dirghaha bhavati. Purvasya anvarnasya. Purva an means what? An pratyahara means what are the letters comes under an pratyahara?
A, I, U.
I, U.
A, I, U. When that dakara or refa gets lopa, Before that, if there is any a, e, u, if it is there, then that rasva a, e, u will get dirgha, adesha. This is the dralope purvasya dirgho anaha. Example, we'll say punar ramate. Puna ramate. Here lopa happened. That rakara gets lopa. When refa gets lopa, before refa, if there is any anpratyahara, means a, e, u, then that will get dirgha. Here, which letter is there on the place of which this rakara gets lopa? Before that, what is the letter?
No.
No means ending letter is what?
A.
Ah.
Okay.
So a belongs to anpratyahara or not?
Yes.
Anpratyahara. So what will happen is that akara gets dirgha. I'll make one more step here. This akara gets dirgha. Punah ramate. In this way it will happen. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, Purnaji.
Then nirrasa. What will happen here? Refa gets lopa. By which sutra?
Ref Lopasam.
By Rory Sutra.
Yes, it's Rory Sutra.
Rory Sutra. Refa gets disappear by Rory Sutra. Then Nakara and Ikara is there. Here Na and E are there. Rasa. That Refa which is disappeared before that letter is Anpratyahara letter. That Anpratyahara letter becomes what? Dirgha.
Dirgha.
Dirgha. Ni rasaha. Rasaha or rasa, whatever. This is the form. In this way it will come. Is this sutra also clear?
Yes, it is.
These kind of forms will come very rare and rare. If we study the whole grantha, 1 or 2 times it will come. Hardly less than 10 times. But we should know. Okay. only one sutra is remaining in this Visarga Sandhi that we will see tomorrow. Let us read some Tika. We saw the first line, right? Second line we did not see. Okay, please, anyone can read second line?
सर्वोपप्लवः सर्वोपप्लवरहितः प्रज्ञान प्रत्यगोर्थ ब्रह्मैवाहमस्मि
Prajnana, after that, what is there?
प्रज्ञानघनः
Okay. Is there any sandhi possible in this line? Whatever sandhis are possible, please, anyone can tell.
सर्व
प्रत्यक्
उपप्लवरहित गुण आद्गुण
Sarva upaplava rahitaha. Akara sarva means akara. Upahitaha. A plus u will happen. A plus who when it comes?
ओ
O. Sarva plus upaplava. Sarvopaplava rahitaha. Then Shivananji, you are saying pratyak artho.
Pratyagartha is there, Nama? That can we split it as Pratyagartha?
Pratyak artha, this way we can split, but there is no sandhi. We are just adding the vowels to the consonants.
Okay.
There is no sandhi. Specific sandhi is not there. Just adding consonants and vowels. That's all. Pratyak artha. But there is pratyak. Pratyak. Artha. Pratyak artha. Pratyak artha. Is there any sandhi? Pratyak. Pratyak.
जलां जश्य
Jhalam jashonte. Jhalam jashonte. Yes. Next, Brahmaivahamasmi. In that, is there any sandhi?
ब्रह्म
Brahma.
इव
Which sandhi?
वृद्धि संधि
Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus A becomes I. This is Vriddhi Sandhi. Brahma eva aham asmi. So we did not see this eva aham asmi. This is this avagraha comes ingaha padantad ati, but that is when ekara and okara, not akara. So in Siddhant Kaumudi, this is not there. Maybe Ashtadhyayi, some sutra must be there. I will, if I come across that, then I will let you know. But so far, this. Okay, next continuation. We'll see tomorrow. So tomorrow there is only one sutra, and for at least 1 week we will read the Tika, and like now how we are doing, either shlokas or Tika. We will read and find out the sutras, so that at least some sutras, whatever in comes in that portion, we will get revised. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Hari Om.